As the world quickly advances towards digitalization, we are seeing new installment modes that make our lives simple. Credit-only installments are the manner in which forward as the world gradually emerges from the pandemic. Consequently, there is a decent opportunity that numerous organizations could begin tolerating digital currencies. Digital currencies are presently viewed as a type of speculation as financial backers hope to procure returns. Assuming the reception rate builds, we can expect the worth of different crypto coins to rise. While it is almost unimaginable for new financial backers to purchase Bitcoin and Ether, a few coins merit considering, like Bittorrent. The coin is as of now exchanging great underneath $1. In any case, a reasonable level of effort is fundamental while putting resources into profoundly unpredictable ventures, like stocks and offers. It is smarter to grasp what's to come conjectures of Bittorrent to settle on a sound choice. We will examine the future cost expectations for Bittorrent. It will assist you with understanding where the coin's worth will stand presently. How about we start by getting an outline of Bittorrent? Bittorrent is the organization behind the BTT coin. Notwithstanding digital currency, the organization has different activities like uTorrent. BTT's excursion in the market is not quite the same as other digital currencies. It raised more than $7.2 million during the ICO and had the option to sell it in 15 minutes or less. The appeal was because of the promotion made by the Justin Sun Binance stage. Their name behind the venture gave it a huge lift, assisting the ICO with selling in 15 minutes or less. The improvement group intends to chip away at certain elements that will assist it with overwhelming the market. While the coin is exchanging underneath the $1 esteem, specialists foresee an inspirational perspective. Consequently, there is plausible that the coin's cost could see monstrous changes in the following couple of years. We should investigate the measurable outline of Bittorrent, notwithstanding being quite possibly of the most famous stage on the web. Bittorrent has attempted to adapt its administrations. In 2019, the organization was bought by the Tron establishment, which is a blockchain startup. With this new possession, the organization had the option to extend its convention and boost the exchanging volume of clients. The value forecast of Bittorrent will furnish financial backers with important understanding into its capability to endure the crypto winter. Through its market-driving record-sharing convention, the organization has drawn in excess of 100 million clients worldwide. As per the organization, during its redenomination, it consumed north of 500 billion BTTOLD tokens, which address close to half of its aggregate. The old token was renamed to BTTOLD before it was supplanted in January. Since its market cap has expanded essentially, it has become one of the most outstanding performing resources over the most recent couple of years. In this video, we will examine the value forecast of Bittorrent. The cost of Bittorrent has dropped by 3.32% as of now. It right now has a live market cap of nearly $809 million and is positioned number 210 on CoinMarketCap. The organization has a coursing supply of around 990 million BTTOLD coins. Bittorrent Value Forecast 2023 specialists are sure that the Bittorrent coin will recuperate and appreciate development toward the finish of 2023. They accept the coin can possibly catch the financial backer's eye. As per the examination from various instruments, the typical exchanging and incentive for the Bittorrent will remain around $0. On the off chance that the market encounters a bull run and the generally crypto market sees a blast, then, at that point, the Bittorrent can exchange as high as $0. Be that as it may, assuming it is the other way around, the coin's worth can slide as low as $0. These progressions are likely to advertise elements since there are no presentation measurements to decide how the crypto coins will work out from now on. Thus, financial backers ought to intently screen the patterns to know when it is the ideal opportunity to trade Bittorrent coins. Bittorrent Value Expectation 2024 specialists and financial backers are hopeful about the future viewpoint of Bittorrent. Consequently, we can hope to see a bullish pattern in its cost, taking into account the outcomes from various cost forecast apparatuses. The typical exchanging worth of the Bittorrent will remain around the $0 in 2024. The most elevated incentive for the Bittorrent will probably remain around the $0. On the off chance that the crypto market eases back progress, the most reduced esteem anticipated for the coin is $0 the finish of 2024. We can likewise anticipate greater association of digital money in the monetary framework. It could expand the interest for crypto coins, prompting an ascent in their worth. Bittorrent Cost Forecast 2025 as per the cost expectation devices and specialists' examination. Bittorrent can encounter a half expansion in 2025 from the earlier year. The expanded reception of blockchain innovation and digital money can cause the Bittorrent coin's worth to support. Hence, financial backers ought to watch out for the market patterns affecting the Bittorrent esteem. The examination shows that the typical exchanging cost for the Bittorrent coin will remain between $0.000000728 in 2025. Examination from the cost forecast devices demonstrates that the costs of the Bittorrent coin can go as high as $0.000000825. The least worth can be around the $0.000000710 in print. Bittorrent Long Haul Gauge 2030. The cost expectation devices conjecture the typical exchanging cost of the Bittorrent to remain around $0.2030. It can arrive at the most noteworthy worth of $0, though the Bittorrent coin's cost can remain at the least degree of $0. At the point when we discuss putting resources into crypto, the ideal methodology ought to be to contribute as long as possible. Individuals who put resources into Bitcoin in its underlying days appreciated extraordinary returns. Consequently, you ought to zero in on the higher perspective as opposed to the everyday additions you make on the coins. The Bittorrent coin's cost expectation demonstrates a gigantic change by 2030. Notwithstanding, the costs will change if the crypto market sees a blast or an accident before long. Bittorrent had a decent beginning after its ICO as its costs saw a slow development. It went from $0 the beginning of 2019 to $0 June. The coin value began to partake in a bullish pattern toward the beginning of 2021. The cost of Bitcoin Trust tumbled to $0 May 12, 2022. This was brought about by the breakdown of the Landust and Luna tokens. The worth of the token proceeded to fall and arrived at a low of $0 June 18. On August 1, 2022, the cost of Bitcoin momentarily hit $0. It then, at that point, fell back to $0 following day. On August 13th, the cost of Bitcoin began to climb from $0 before it hit a high of $0 September 11. On September 19th, the cost of Bitcoin hit its most reduced level of the year at $0. This year, the crypto markets experienced critical unpredictability. Following the FTX breakdown, BlockFi, a monetary administrations organization, petitioned for financial protection in the U.S. The repercussions of this occurrence keep on influencing the business. The worth of the BlockFi token has arrived at a low of $0, albeit a few financial backers have recuperated a portion of their misfortunes. It is as yet not satisfactory in the event that the episode will essentially affect the crypto market. In the wake of tumbling to a low of $0, the cost of Bitcoin Trust is supposed to quickly return and arrive at its next focus of $0. This gather together will investigate the most recent expectations for the token, Bittorrent expectation and numerous specialists and cost expectation devices show that the Bittorrent coin's cost can go as high as $0 2030. This cost addresses a gigantic change from its ongoing worth. In any case, the coin's worth could arrive at that level previously or after 2030, contingent upon the market's opinion. Since crypto coins are a riskier type of venture than stocks, shared reserves, and so on, you really want to comprehend the market patterns. The changing economic situations are the main conceivable method